Why do 70% of foodies love repurposing leftovers? Because it's fun, creative, and delicious. First up, that leftover roast chicken. Shred it up and make some mouth-watering chicken tacos. Add some fresh salsa, a squeeze of lime, and you're golden. Got rice from last night? Turn it into a fabulous fried rice. Just toss in some veggies, a splash of soy sauce, and voila. Dinner sorted. And hey, leftover pasta? Say hello to a pasta frittata. Mix it with some beaten eggs, sprinkle in cheese, and bake. Perfect for breakfast or lunch on the go. Don't toss those veggies. Blend them into a creamy soup. Add some broth, season, and blend until smooth. Comfort in a bowl. Got stale bread? Make croutons. Just cube it, toss with olive oil and seasoning, then bake. Crunchy goodness for your salads. Foodies, repurposing leftovers isn't just smart, it's delicious. So next time you open the fridge, think of the tasty possibilities. Happy cooking! And don't forget to like and subscribe for more foodie tips.